Welcome to Basic, Easy, and Simple English. My name is Jibung Oh. Today we are going to study English with the title An Airplane Taking Off. An airplane is trying to take off. It's running on the runway. It's about to take off. It's about 5 inches above the runway. It's finally taken off. It's flying above us. There are passengers in the plane. They will arrive at the other airport. They travel faster thanks to the plane.